Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have not yet liked, share, and subscribe, please do it so that it will be helpful for me to do more and more videos like this. If you feel my videos are a bit slow, you can go for a play speed and you can choose for a 2 and 1.5 so that it will be faster also. Okay, you can learn a lot of topics from my videos. Okay, if you go to this is my channel, if you go to the channel playlist, you'll be getting four different types of playlist: trading topics, Zerodha features, also hedging options, features and options, hedging strategies also I have discussed, and also a lot of strategies with the Sensibull paper trading also I have discussed. You can check it out, and also if you wanted to invest in US stock market, that is also available here. You can check it out all these playlist. Let's jump into the topic. So, in order to discuss about today's market, I'm in a Nifty 50 chart here. Okay, so few days back I took some positions. Okay, basically my position was Bull Condor. Basically, that video is available in my YouTube. You can check it out with the title as Bull Condor Strategy. On what basis this strategy I have taken, I have explained also. So basically, to quickly explain you once again, Nifty was trading in a channel. Okay, basically this channel, you can see it here. Yeah, so this channel, when Nifty was around this point, okay, around 24,678. So Monday I took a position because market was bouncing from this location. Okay, basically you can see these three candles, one, two, and three candles. Okay, so because market was reacting to this support line, whatever we are seeing it here, this support line, it was reacting early. I took an early entry here. Okay, now exactly how it is very useful, the support and resistance in while trading, we will come to know, because see exactly as soon as the market reaching this uh, resistance zone, okay, resistance line, then it will come down, and then as soon as it will reach to the support zone, then it will bounce back, and maybe some consolidation, then it will again reach to resistance. So Nifty is basically still it is in a channel only. I predicted somewhere around here, and I took a bull condor call here. Okay, my prediction was that okay, maybe it will bounce back from here only, else it will come here, and it will consolidate somewhere here, and it will bounce back. That's why I took this position. You can see this position is for next August, next, not immediate expiry. I took this position for the 7th of August. I took this position because we need to give some time to market. uh, Maybe or may not be. Nifty will reach to 25,000. My range break even point is 25,000. So my target is also 25,000. You can see as soon as this is reached to 25,000, I will be in a profit of around 2,004 rupees. If I hold this position until expiry, and if it is at 24,500 to 25,000, I will be in a loss of 3,000 to 66 rupees. You can see it here, expiry date. Okay, my you're seeing my cursor, right? So if it enters rapidly in this zone, I will be in a big profit. My risk was only 3,000 rupees, but reward was around 15,000 rupees. But I'll be getting in some idea, right? Around here, if market comes to here and reacted downwards, then I'll be exiting this position around what point? Around 25,000 point. So around 25,000 strike price, what will be my profit? What will be the profit? I can see around 25,000. My profit will be 2,000. Okay, because we should exit early or wait for some confirmation. RSI divergence also we will see it, and we can exit it. Okay, else if Nifty since it is making a flag and pole pattern, there may be chances of breakout from here as well. Okay, if Nifty takes some consolidation phase here and breakout, then I'll be holding my position. Okay, this is called Bull Condor strategy. Basically, buying instead of going for a naked buy, I will be taking some. You can see I will be showing it to you. Instead of going for naked buy option, I'll be going these positions. If I wanted to explain the position, 25,100, 25,800, I took a CE buy. Then from this position, I'm selling it out, so that my risk will be very minimum here. Okay, with this strategy. So how exactly it is honored this support zone, you can see it here. Okay, although Nifty went down this line, okay, so it came out of this channel and bounced back from here. Okay, this is what the importance of support and resistance in trading. You can take some decision based on the channels, based on the support and resistance. Okay, so this is one thing I wanted to tell today. And also uh, in case of Bank Nifty also, you can see the Bank Nifty also came out of this channel. It is also trading in a pattern or trading in some zones, only this zone support and resistance. Okay, so it is bouncing back from here as well. Maybe what can happen, Nifty directly should not go here. Okay, maybe it may not go like this unless until there is a huge gap up or gap down. So if it is a gap down, then again it will come back. Maybe there is chances of breaking this support zone is very higher if it is a strong gap down, or else in a similar way, if it is a gap up, then there may be a chances of breaking this zone as well. Okay, but if Nifty is very slow from here, so maybe it will be trading around this line only, then it may go up or it may come down. Anything can happen here. Okay, this will be the range for option sellers actually. Okay, so this is what before doing any strategy, know options thoroughly, because I'm not suggesting any strategies to buy or sell here. Just for an education purpose, you can learn it from my videos. That's all. You can go for option basic videos also there. Some basic strategies I have discussed. You can check it out. Apart from that, anything I wanted to discuss? Yeah, this strategy is done. Then this is also done. Okay, yeah, this is one thing. So you need to consider a lot of things in trading. Okay, there are some maybe as per the wave theory, sorry, this may become 1 2 3 4 5. So fifth wave is completed here. Again the new wave is started. Maybe it will go like this, like this, like this, and then it may break out like this. So A, B, C. So if this wave count is failed, then it may come back to further down. So Nifty should not break 24,500, else the situation will be more critical, or I can say it will be nasty, because this is the strong support and very psychological support as well. It should not break it. Yeah. Thank you. If you like my video, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more and more videos like this.